Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making the Grillo's pickle dip, the viral pickle dip. Who do we have out there has tried this? If you're a pickle lover, I'm sure it's good, and I'm a pickle lover, so I wanted to come on here and make some with y'all. You're going to need your Grillo's pickles, okay? It's a 32 ounce. Everything, what I'm using here is in the description box. Now you're going to drain your pickle juice. Don't throw that out. And you're going to get all of these pickles chopped up. Chop them up fairly fine. You could see some of that dill weed in there. And I notice on the bottom of these they have a grape leaf. I believe that is. I guess that's to keep those pickles crisp. Okay, now in our bowl. Well, actually, I'm going to get our pickles chopped up. You're going to chop up this whole container. That's probably the longest part of the making of it, is getting everything chopped up. But we'll just get this chopped up. Chop them up as big or small as you want them. But I'm going to finish chopping the whole jar up. Okay, got all of our Grillo pickles chopped up. I like them fairly fine. I don't want big chunks. I did pat them dry. I don't want a runny, thin pickle dip. I like a creamy dip, and a lot of them I see look kind of watery, and I'm sure that's why, because of all of the juices that are in the pickle, plus they add more. I'm not sure if I'm going to add more pickle juice. That's why they say reserve some of it. But I've patted this dry like 3 times with a lot of paper towel, and it's still really moist. So I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more pickle juice that we reserved. Okay. And look here what was at the bottom, like I was telling y'all. Sure, that's a grape leaf, isn't it? Okay. So we have all of our chopped up pickles there. Pretty sure I got a big enough bowl out there. All right. There's our chopped pickles. Now to that, it's an easy dip. You're going to be adding some whipped cream cheese, 8 ounces. Let's go ahead and get that in there. I love pickles, and I seen this, and I'm like, I have to try it. I mean, a dip is a dip. You can add what you want to it in a certain amount, whatever amount you want. But that's our cream cheese. Now we have some sour cream. Get that added in there. I tell you what, this ain't no cheap dip, but I wanted to try it. We have some, which I'm going to drain off here. That liquid, I don't want it in there. Some Greek yogurt. Just make sure you don't get the sweetened one, the Greek yogurt. We'll get that added in there. And it all just comes together. And you save your container, because for presentation, that's how everybody's doing it. You do it how you want, but if we want to experience, we do what they do, right? We're going to put in our chopped green onions. I chopped those really well. We are going to put in ranch seasoning, not the dip. This is the seasoning dressing, because if you get the dip, it's more salty. So we'll put 1 pack of that in there. All of these measurements are in the description box, as I stated. We got some chopped bacon. You can do bacon bits or fry you up 4 or 5. I buy the thin sliced bacon. I just popped it in the air fryer and chopped it up. And put a good handful of some cheese. Some cheddar cheese. I have the mild. And we'll get this mixed up. Now, they say it's best with Ruffles, but any chips are going to do. So we'll just get this mixed up, and then we put it back into our Grillo's container. So I'll mix it up, and we'll give it a try. But of course, it's going to be best if you let it sit. But hey, good for game day, any celebrations you have coming up. But like I said, it's not a cheap dip to make. But I'm going to get that mixed and put back in the container, and we're going to taste it. Okay, y'all. Out of sight, out of mind. Forgot my hot sauce. You use your favorite hot sauce, but I see this is a lot that everybody's using, and I forgot my jalapeno over here. Put whatever you want in there. Whatever kind you want in there. That should be enough. Got my board here that I chopped my pickles on. Now, you can take your seeds out of your jalapeno, but I'm not doing that. We like heat. So 1 to 2 jalapenos is what we're going to do. I know a lot of you are saying put gloves on, but y'all, I use these things every day, and my old hands are just used to them. But I'm not going to take the seeds out. We're just going to chop these up. Chop them up fairly fine. I'll get these going here, chopped up, and I'll go over them again as I go here and just get them chopped up really well. Don't want any big chunks of jalapeno in there, but I'll continue doing that. Okay, I chopped those up really well. Now we'll transfer our bowl back over here. Get those jalapenos in there. Dice them up really small. I mean, you could add 2, but this one was a pretty large one. And I do leave the seeds in, as I said, and if you want it hotter, add a serrano to it. So we're going to get it mixed up and served. Okay, there's the dip. I did put a little bit of salt because those Grillos are not really that salty, but you can add what, you know, to your taste, what you like. Now we're using some Chick-fil-A waffle potato chips with it. And I did add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, because to me it's just, hang on a minute, y'all. I dropped my mic. It's, I don't know. I dropped my mic and forgot what I was even saying. But it did need salt, and it needs something more. So we'll try it with chips here. Jesse, you want to try it? Oh, you're ready, ain't you? So let's go ahead and try this. I have wearing this little attached microphone, and it just dropped and broke. So, let me try it here.
I never have it.
Hang on. Yeah, I'm getting you some, dear. Hang on.
Hurry up, let's go.
No, hush. Here, try it. See if you like it. I mean, I'm gonna give an honest review. It's good, but would I spend that much money on dip again? I'm not sure. I think
It's good.
the chopped jalapeno kind of takes away how jalapenos greeny. You don't not hot at all. Just depends on your jalapeno, but I don't know. You guys try it, see if you like it. But there it is.
Spinach dip.
Like what?
Tastes like spinach dip.
Spinach dip. I mean, you can make it with any kind of pickle you want, but you guys give it a try, see what you think. But until next time, it's all in the description box, y'all, if y'all want to give it a try.
Give me a
So, I'll get you a bowl and some chips, dear. Okay, we will see you all soon. Take care of one another, love one another, be there for one another, and we will see y'all soon. Bye bye.